You are welcome to solve this nice exponential equation, which is 2 to power t. This is equal to t to power that 2. So what is the value of t? And given that t is greater than 0. Solution from here, we have 2 to power t. This is equal to t to power 32. So the first thing to do here, let's multiply both sides by 1 over t by 1 over t. So here we simplify t, so that here we have 2 is equal to t to power that 2 raised to power 1 over t. The next step is that if you have a raised to power n raised to power m, this can be expressed as a to power m raised to power n. Applying this exponent property, then here we'll have t to power 1 over t raised to power that 2. This is equal to 2. Now, the next step from here, you multiply both signs by 1 over that 2 by 1 over that 2. So here we eliminate that 2, so that now we have t to power 1 over t. This is equal to 2 to power 1 over that 2. In this case, you can see here, the base is equal to the reciprocal of the exponent. Here we have the base is not equal to the exponent. So here we have t to power 1 over t. This is equal to 2 to power 1 over that 2. So let's proceed. We can express 1 as 2 over 2. So in this case, we have t to power 1 over t. This is equal to 2 to power 2 multiplied by 1 over 2 times 30. That's 2. So in this case, this is the same thing as 2 to power 2 raised to power 1 over 2 times that 2. This is 64. So 2 to power 2, this is equal to 4 raised to power 1 over 64. So this is what is t to power 1 over t. So let's proceed. We can express 1 as 2 over 2, and therefore here t to power 1 over t, this is equal to 2 to power 2 times 1 over 2 times 64. So in this case, we have, this is 4 to power 2. So we'll have 4 to power 2, this is 16, raised to power 1 over 64 times 2, which is 128. So we have 16 here. Raised to power, we can express 1 as 2 over 2. So this is 2 times 1 over 2 times 128. So in this case, we have 16 squared. This is 256 raised to power 1 over 128 times 2, which is 256. So this is t to power 1 over t. Now, you can see the base here and the exponent here is the same. So we have 256, which is equal to 256 here. And this implies that t is equal to 256. So let's verify that this value of t satisfies the equation. Let's verify that the value of t, which is 256, actually satisfies the equation. Now, if you recall, we entered 2 to power t. This is equal to t to power 32. Let's substitute the value of t. So we have 2 to power 256. This is equal to 256 raised to power 32. So here we have 2 to power 256. This is equal to, we have 2 to power 256. This is equal to 256. We can express 256 as 2 to power 8. So here we have 2 to power 8 raised to power 32. So here we have 2 to power 256. This is equal to 2 to power. Now here this is 8 times 32. So that's 2 times 8. So 8 times 2, this is 16. Carry 1. Then 8 times 3, 24. Plus 1, this is 25. So we have 256. So 2 to power 256. This is equal to 2 to power 256. So this implies that the left add side is equal to the right add side. And this implies that the value of t, which is 256, satisfies the equation. So kindly follow the steps, like this video, and subscribe.